You checked your phone before this video finished loading. You probably don't even remember doing it. That wasn't a choice. That was a reflex, and someone built it into you on purpose. Let me show you something. He wrote that in his private journal, a journal he never intended for anyone else to read. Marcus Aurelius ran an empire of 70 million people. Plagues, wars, senators who wanted him dead every single day. And every single morning, he sat down and wrote one thing. The only thing I control is how I respond. He called it the last territory of a free person, the gap between something happening and you reacting to it. He spent his whole life protecting that gap. He never lost it. You have. Here is what nobody tells you about phone notifications. It is not an addiction. Addiction implies a weakness in you. What actually happened is more specific than that. Rooms full of engineers, very smart, very well paid, were given one job: shrink the gap. The gap Marcus Aurelius spent his entire life protecting. The space between the ping and your hand already reaching for the phone. They measured it in milliseconds. They ran experiments until it approached zero. Then they shipped it. The average person responds to a notification within 90 seconds. 90 seconds. Marcus Aurelius was handed news of a military defeat, the kind that ends empires, and took 3 days before he responded. Not because he was slow, because he understood that the event is not the emergency. Your reaction to the event is where the damage gets done. You recognize this, and don't pretend you don't. He didn't say ignore outside events. He said you have power over your mind, not the events. The difference is everything. You cannot stop the ping, but you can stop the ping from owning the next 10 minutes of your life. That gap, the one between the sound and your hand moving, that is still yours. Most people just forgot it was there. They knew. The orb knew. Now you do too.